For ordering process 2, it indicates the establishment of policy and procedure for urgent orders of ready-mixed concrete. It starts by quantifying all design mix on the requirement form, then will be validated and approved by the PMPIC, which will be automatically signed and approved by Project QS. Then, it will be received and signed by the MCIQS, but will be handed over MDC Research and Development only if the order design mix is not yet available or if it is special design. There will be automated input of pricing on the signed RMC form under MCIQS also after receiving the RMC form. The purchase requisition creation is also automated with verification of documents by Project QS. Then, it will be endorsed by the MCIQS and will be identify MCI outside. MCI procurement will then create the purchase order and issue to Project QS. After receiving the purchase order, it will be endorsed by the Project QS to MDC Concrete Engineer for scheduling of RMC. Then we'll also generate the prospect weekly concrete schedule, and it will be validated by the MCI procurement, then will be received by the MDC Project Concreting Engineer, then will be submitted to MCI Central Planning for scheduling. The prospect WCS will be approved by the MCI Central Planning. They will also set the schedule of RMC and then proceed to batching and delivery. For the second improved process, that if the customer's lead time is smaller than the projected pouring time, establishing policy and procedure for urgent ready-mixed concrete orders will be a possibility. This method likewise begins with completing the 3 primary requirements. However, if the requirements is urgent, it will take less time to complete. The weekly concrete schedule or WCS form will thereafter be expected in the system. Following that, the lead time will be requested or required to be entered into the system, and the customer will be asked to pick between an urgent or normal process. If the normal process is chosen, the process outline above will be followed, and if urgent process is chosen, the procedure outline above will also be followed to meet the need requirement prior to RMC delivery. After completing the relevant documentation, MCI procurement will submit a purchase order to MDC Central Planning for review of the delivery plan and will be asked to move to a high priority delivery schedule. The schedule will be then sent to the production engineer for the delivery of ready-mixed concrete for the final week schedule, if the plant can support it, and if not, the same procedure will be followed if a partnered supplier or third-party supplier is used. Production engineers will be in charge of delivering RMC to their respective sites. For the process of delivery ready-mixed concrete, which after scheduling, the QA/QC and concreting engineer will receive the RMC product at project site. Once the RMCs arrive in the project site, their inspection process where field engineer or concreting engineer will check the volume and design mix if correct, and there are also a quality assurance who will check the design mix and the standard of RMC. Once the RMC delivered is all correct, the QA/QC will also receive and post GR at SAP through signing the DR form given to the delivery driver. And after receiving processes, field engineer or concreting engineer will guide the transit mixer to the location of pouring.